The Alpatronix BX10 unboxing review for the iPhone 10. And here we have the case with a few documents like customer satisfaction, accessories, card, and we got the manual here for instructions. We also have the micro USB cable for data syncing and charging your battery. It's an outstanding case, looks great. It's a two-piece case, front and back, which snaps together. Taking the case apart is pretty simple. Just go to the bottom right corner and start to pull apart. Grab your phone and slide it in nice and flat on the battery case side. Once it's laying flat, push gently and it will clip to the lightning port. The phone is not secure yet until you clip the top part of the case. To do that, you'll do the same procedure that you did when you were taking the case apart. The case is fairly simple. I was able to get one full charge on a heavy usage day. You might be able to squeeze a little bit more battery time on a less usage day. The iPhone has a total of 27 mAh battery, while the battery case has a total of 4000 mAh battery capacity. This will definitely bring you some extra juice during the day. Just press and hold the power button on the battery case and your phone will start to charge. Behind the case you have 4 LEDs ranging from 0 to 100. Each one gives you approximately 25% battery. While the phone is charging, press and hold the power button one more time and the phone will stop charging. Something to consider is that you will no longer have access to your regular lightning port. You'll have to give it up and use your micro USB cable that came with the case. Use the proper connections and use your USB-C from your Mac. That wraps it up for the Alpatronix BX10 for the iPhone 10. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.